glad to be here to open the school. Some of you who are closely associated with the school will know that I had said no to the opening of the school earlier on because we were going to open it just as a class 1 to class 3 school. You know, it would put a limitation on the expansion of the school. So I told the Permanent Secretary for Education who had visited here to come and tell you that it's better that you wait until the end of this term so that I can come and open a new primary school, which will go right up to class 8. And the sooner you can put it up there, the better. But you can't build classrooms and leave them empty without the kids. So parents have a responsibility to increase the number of children that will come to the school. Interestingly, Salnaka village is also celebrating its 100 years. Baki donan rau I korsa wa turang kena do marota kena ve ngono vinaka vaya baki masa ulu se baki donan rau se donan masa ulu do le una kena meke kena takaka kena marota ki eu santo na kavina ni marota ki na donan rau ni baki ni korwatura sahu kana marota ki na dola ni dona korwuli me no mundo korwuli no korwuli mo kasa sa olono mo dona vano no vinaka ni kana marota ki na tikena ona tale this school was originally established as a kindergarten. It's now extended to 1, 2, 3. Next year, I sincerely hope it will go up to for class 4. We are all very happy with the impressive buildings that we are going to open very shortly. It's a big achievement on the part of the community. I'm always pleased about that. 3 weeks ago, I was opening also a new school in Boa. Last week we dug the first sod in Labasa for a big campus there of the Fiji National University. Asana I tu tukunga vi banda ta vi kumini na mata ni ko o kala na sa ndu na maruta kana tosa kana korvatura sa me to yo ta kana valibuli sa ko tukunga ni veo ni tamba ni valibuli sa chiko sa na korvatura sa ko Peto sana ke goro la pana gon ke tu indolava na korvul na sana ke vulkin na ke tu ke urno na kani tu ke e vate ke urno ka se u rulis me na tamara dani bu tere kila na ke bakalo ta ke tamasa de derta ke bakalo ta na gono watura sa gono bakalo ta no ni korvul bakalo ta ke urno na rubulikina na rubul na kamera da ka na kana vengo na memor ni te sana na turana na mamu no itu mo ya tu saka na mata ni ko kana msema imendala tu korvul dosati una ni tu ta sabana kana